Hello viewers, welcome to Candid Conversations with Ganesh Kuppala. In recent times, you have seen me speaking to a lot of doctors talking about health, mental health and all that stuff, various health factors, right? And while I was talking to the doctors, I realized financial health is one of the major factors of mental health issues as well. So during the conversations, I realized that I need to bring somebody who talks about finance as a primary point of view, right? So today I'm proudly bringing a financial health doctor to us. Mr. Raja Kanakamedala is here with us, who had tremendous amount of decades of career in financial matters, and he's also CEO for WealthMax Financial Services and does extensive amount of work in the finance space. Today, I'm really proud to bring a finance doctor to us. Welcome to the show, Raja, and thank you so much for taking time and coming over here.
Thank you, Ganesh. It's such a pleasure to meet all the audience through your podcast. Your journey actually keeps on inspiring me.
Thank you.
In fact, couple of times I have been showing your videos to our team to get the inspiration.
Thank you.
And such an honor to spend the time with you today on your podcast.
Brilliant. And while talking about the journeys, right, Raja, I mean, each of our journeys are exceptional, right? I mean, sometimes when I, as part of my research going into the podcast, I was looking at your journey. And do you want to quickly, I mean, you had really humble background. You came from India and built such an empire in UK. Could you please explain me your journey from India to UK and then how you built this finance empire of WealthMax?
Okay, great. Ganesh, like most of our generation, we came from agriculture families. So my father is an agriculture supervisor.
Okay.
And my mom is educated, but she's a housemaker. And most of my extended family, they are into agriculture.
Okay.
Basically, with agriculture, your roots come from very humble backgrounds. And when you talk about leadership, employee retention, employee satisfaction, team spirit, these are the skills I have learned more than the corporate boardrooms. I learned from my elders and how they manage their sales force, how they manage their workers. Like some of the workers, believe me, Ganesh, have been working with our family for 35 years. They worked with my grandfather. They worked with my father. I'm not doing agriculture, but they're still working in our fields. And one of the main reasons for their loyalty is the way we care for them and the way we respected them. So most of the entrepreneurs of our generation, south of Asia, they came from agricultural backgrounds. I think the initial stigma of leadership started from that sector. Again, education during our time, and with your personal journey, you can watch for it, is actually, it's more of a privilege. And gracefully and thankfully, I have very hardworking parents, and they have sponsored my education. And I've done schooling from very good schools. Did my graduation from Loyola. Did my master's from Pune University.
Wow.
And after my master's, I started my career with Bajaj Allianz Pune, and then moved to ING Group. So 2008 is the year where the turning point happened. So I won the prestigious Grand Slam Award, and that year the award was given in London. So
you were with ING Vaishya.
Yes.
Okay.
It's ING Vaishya, then became ING and Excite. So what turns out to be a 5-day, 6-day fun trip with taking an award. But when I came to UK, I have realized the potential of financial services. Wow. So I thought okay, why can't I come to UK and start my career in financial services? So I came on HSNP in 2009 with young aspirations, as you know. Started my career with MetLife UK. And in 2017, we have co-founded WealthMax with my business partner, Mr. Mandip Singh. And one of the main reasons of setting up WealthMax during my journey as a protection advisor, I could see a clear gap in getting quality mortgage advice and pension advice and wills and estate planning, especially to the South Asian community and the first generation. When people come on the first generation, financial planning was not in their priority list. Most probably the priority list is to just make some money, do some savings.
Settle down fast.
Not really, not really on the financial planning side.
You touch a very interesting point, because when anybody like NRIs or people from Pakistan or in South Asian regions, they all come here with aspirations, you rightly mentioned, because, from third world countries or developing nations to a known, well-developed country like UK, back then. I mean, today India is shining and we are fourth largest economy in the world. Yeah. But back then it is a different story, right? I mean, you're looking forward to, Western community so that, you can make a mark. Especially, I think you brought up a really interesting point. When you moved from, or you traveled from India to UK to take the award, you have seen the potential of UK, right?
Yes.
And it's not going to surprise me because I'm from the same background, finance and tax background. And we always used to think like, finance capital of the world is London, right?
Yes,
all the bankers, HSBC, CT, call any bank.
Yes.
The world banking hub is in London. It's quite obvious you are thinking like that, which is amazing. So, but before getting into the details of like how WealthMax operates, Raja, I want to understand is, you worked in this, you had corporate journey from, MetLife in UK, and before this, ING Vaishya, Bajaj Alliance. While Bajaj Alliance is also kind of a foreign merged company. Bajaj is an Indian company. Alliance is a German one. Yes. Same with ING and Vaishya. Vaishya Bank, again for the audience, Vaishya was like Indian bank and then merged or collaborated with ING and then brought ING Vaishya. MetLife is another thing. And MetLife also operates in India. So, but you did not start your journey from MetLife India, but you picked up that here.
Yes.
Okay. So, moving from the corporate journey to be an entrepreneur, starting a new company and getting regulated and all, because especially in the finance space, getting regulated, being certified is a big deal. How was that journey? Are you an FCA regulated company, and how does that WealthMax work?
Okay, so again, just slightly going back to why WealthMax, what is the intention of starting up a WealthMax? And Ganesh, thanks to all my clients. UK is a very mature market.
Correct.
At 34, probably I'm extremely doing well where I am at. But I always have seen a gap. Me being a protection advisor, I've seen a gap to my clients, especially to get a good quality mortgage advice. And I have also seen that, people are not really serious on pensions or wills and estate planning. So what I thought is, why can't one advisor cannot deal with all the requirements in general? So I thought like, there are a lot of talented financial advisors. Why can't we bring them under one platform? We are still working and we are meeting our clients. We know the client requirements. So in fact, WealthMax was started just not as a company itself, but it started as a network of financial advisors.
Amazing.
Who gives the best customer service, taking customers' requirements as paramount. That was the reason why WealthMax started. Today, yes, our advisors give advice on insurance, mortgage, pensions, commercial lending, wills and estate planning. So this is what we do, and we have been doing it since 2017 to till date, quite successfully. Yes, we are regulated, and regulation is quite important. Following the compliance is very good, important, and it is all about taking care of the client as a part of consumer duty, and that protects the client and that protects the business as well. Especially in financial services, the regulations plays a pivotal role to protect the clients.
Yeah, it's interesting, and you being like, I thought that's a very interesting point you brought in. Like, you were a group of financial advisors coming together, and then building your own company, right? I mean, what's exciting there is like everyone feels as a owner of the company, right? So each of your advisors, maybe they are freelancers.
Yes, they are self-employed.
Self-employed people. Oh, that's amazing, stunning. But so, unlike being an employee, you're like your own owner, and you have a bunch of them coming together, and that's a very good approach actually. Kudos to you, Raja.